In this video, I'll show you how to replace the OPC drum and clean the drum unit on the Canon imageRUNNER 2630i to restore print quality and extend the life of the drum unit. In this procedure, only the OPC drum is replaced while keeping the original drum unit. The OPC drum creates the image before it is transferred to the paper. Replacing a worn drum helps restore print quality and eliminate print defects. The OPC drum is a replaceable imaging component used inside the drum unit. It is available from Canon parts suppliers and online marketplaces in both original and compatible versions. Replacing only the OPC drum is a cost-effective solution that can restore print quality without replacing the complete drum unit. The drum unit is also cleaned to remove excess toner and waste buildup. A blocked waste toner path can affect the cleaning process and cause toner contamination on the drum surface, leading to print quality issues. Proper cleaning helps maintain stable drum performance.
میخره که یک دانش میره آب میوه میخره. آب میوه بچم 140 روپیه یخ. آزوایی که داخل بوتل است. چرا بخره؟ نه خواهد حساب چی بخره؟ حساب دکان بگی. نه میگم از حساب دکان بگی، نه میگم که ما برم از پشت انجینیر سر برو دیگه. این از پیش دیدی؟ قلفش کن. آنور قلف نکنی. سیرگی نکنی. آنور بوتلش سرش باشد.
The OPC drum replacement and drum unit cleaning are now complete. After installing the new drum and ensuring all components are properly cleaned, the printer is ready to deliver clear and consistent print quality again. Regular maintenance of the drum unit helps prevent print defects and extends the service life of the components.